Okay guys, welcome to another video. As you saw in the other video, giving you an update on this, we are wrapping this in carbon blue. Ignore that, that's just what my mate did. He was giving it a try. But I am going to show you now how to remove all these panels. So you're talking this, radio, this, all around here. These little bits, these, this, steering wheel pieces. Yeah, just so, and hopefully these, if these actually do come off, which I believe they do. Just so you guys know how to remove these in case you do have an Astra and you want to wrap, spray, or do something else with them, you know, or change some bits around, then this is a video for you. So stay tuned and I'll get straight to it. So to remove this, just get a plastic tool remover, wedge it down one side, get a pull, and it pops forward. It is connected behind this, so you can't pull it off yet. So we'll get into moving this in the stereo. Alright, so for your radio, you want some double DIN Vauxhall keys. You can get these from Alfred's. I think they're about £6. Vauxhall's universal, so you can use them in any Vauxhall. So what you want to do is just push them in, pull either side, outwards, like so, push on it. I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to have to go and do it with two. We literally pull them out from each other, so directions out, and then pull towards you. Okay guys, so to remove this, I've gone ahead and removed it a little bit, just because I can't show you with one hand. So you got this little bit here, and this little bit just here. These sit in this, you need to pull them both up and pull it forward. Get a plastic removal tool to wedge it behind, and then this should literally pull straight off once you can get a grip on it. Like so. There we go. Yeah, you can undo your clips on that side. Literally the same mechanism, you just push this black clip upwards and it comes out, push these two little nibs in and it pulls straight forward as well. Right, so we need to take this plastic cover off. You just want to get your plastic removal tool, put it around the edges and just literally prise it forward to unloosen your clips on these sides. This has been off previously, so this one's already broke, but this is what you're trying to get off just here. Right, so we're going to get a T20 screw piece, undo this and this side, and hopefully this should pull forward. Right, so we've undone those two T20s and you literally just pull this straight forward. You've got your airbag light and hazard lights just here. Again, you just push this down and then push it backwards. Again, it's hard to show you with one hand, so yeah, that's how you disconnect that. Right, so you can just pull your gear sticks around up. That comes off of there, and then you've got two T20 bolts just underneath here. So you need to remove this, so just pull that up. Once you pull that up, your OBD2 ports just here as well, and then you've got two T20 screws just here, which we're going to undo. Right, so to remove this plastic trim, just got a plastic removal tool under here, pull it up, do the same on the other side, and it will all just pull away. Right, so we're going to remove this interior door handle bit now. You want to get your plastic removal tool, wedge it underneath, and then pull, because there's some clips that stick in at the top, so you have to pull it up to get it off. Alright, so we're going to remove the steering wheel parts now. You've got a T20 screw underneath. You're going to need a really long, thin screwdriver though to get under there. Don't know if you can see it. But these, after you've unscrewed it, you just pull straight forward and then you unclip it the other side. And then there's some little tiny screws underneath as well. I think they're T5s, like really, really tiny, that you take this little button bit off and you can literally just pull it away. Same for this side. This one here, you just literally pull it up with a plastic remover tool as well. Right, to remove this, you want to just push your light in, turn it to the right, and it pulls straight forward. Then you unhook all your wires at the back, and this literally just slides off to wrap that as well. Right guys, you can't actually remove this. I've tried, well you can, but there's a load of rubber like bullets on the inside. So if you do want to remove that, you can pull them and rip them off. But you can also just wrap this while it's on the car. It is a bit more awkward, but you can just tuck it and wrap it on, which is what I'll be doing as well. So yeah.